Alright, walk, Beanie Baby.
Come on. Good girl. Come on, one more. Come on.
Oh, big girl. Big girl walking for Daddy.
Yeah.
A couple more steps.
More. Come on.
When she gets tired, she'll bring up the landing gear. Listen to her grunt.
Come on. Right. There you go. And then left.
Oh.
Yeah. Look.
Ava, look at me. You a big girl?
Look at Mama.
Good girl, Slinky.
This is what I did with Robert. It's like you kind of pull on their hand, the one that you want them to lift their foot to, and they automatically
do?
it. Yeah.
Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Do a smile for Daddy. Do a smile real quick.
I love that one.